Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to download Clash Royale on PC. Firstly, go to the official LD Player website at ldplayer.net, then click download LD Player 4 for faster performance, or LD Player 3 for better stability. Now once downloaded, open the exe file and install LD Player. After installation, launch the emulator from your desktop. In the LD Player, Emulator open LD Store. Use the search bar to find Clash Royale. Click Install on the Clash Royale app page and it will download and install just like on mobile device. Once installed, open Clash Royale from your emulator's home screen and log in with your Supercell ID to restore progress if you want and enjoy better control using keyboard and mouse. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.